Welcome to another episode of Ask Snappy, where you can ask us any marketing or mobile related question and we'll be happy to answer those for you. So today's question comes from Nigel from Newcastle, United Kingdom, where he asks about the effectiveness of app burst campaigns. For those of the viewers who do not know what an app burst campaign is, as the name suggests, burst is a sudden surge of anything. So in the case of app campaigns, it primarily is to do with the number of installs. So basically the main rationale behind doing app burst campaigns is where we allocate a certain budget to be spent in a matter of 24 to 72 hours rather than going through it the entire month. So what it does is we basically do incentivized and non-incentivized, or we call it an incent or non-incent campaigns, where we try to get more and more users to install our app, because two of the most important elements for an app store to rank an app really high on the app store is primarily the number of downloads and the installs. So when the app stores detect that the installs are going up, automatically your app tends to rank really high on the Google Play Store or an app store. This burst sort of repercussions are more prevailing on App Store, which is for Apple. In terms of Google, the effectiveness of the burst campaign is slightly less. In a certain span of time, you're getting tons of downloads, it automatically starts to rank you, or rank your app rather. Once the app starts to rank up, you automatically get a lot of organic installs coming in as well. What happens effectively is, in that money that you're spending in those matter of 2 to 3 days, you get many paid installs from your incentivized and non-incentivized campaigns. On top of that, you also get a lot of organic installs. And we at Appify have helped a lot of our clients in using these burst campaigns, and we have an exhaustive list that we use for these campaigns. The ones that come on top of my mind are chartboost.com, fixu.com for incentivized. For non-incentivized, we've been using Facebook and Google Ads, and they have worked really well for our clients. And if you go in the description, we are sharing a comprehensive list of the sites that you could use and leverage it for your own apps and for your clients. If you find this video informative and helpful, you can share, like and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.